The full moon in May 2025 is not just another date on the calendar, it's a cosmic checkpoint, a moment of illumination, release, and redirection. This moon, bold, emotional, and cleansing, rises in Scorpio, the sign of transformation, depth, endings, and rebirth. And its message is clear. What are you still holding on to that's already finished? What truth is asking to be revealed? Welcome to Inner Sky Radio, and welcome to the Light of Truth. Spiritual meaning of May 2025 full moon. This Scorpio full moon opens emotional portals. It brings to the surface what's been buried: grief, jealousy, old wounds, karmic cords, all rising to be seen, felt, and finally let go. Expect heightened sensitivity, sudden truths, deep emotional releases, desire for closure or clarity. But don't resist it. This isn't chaos, it's cosmic purification. Scorpio asks us to burn what no longer serves, to stop pretending we're fine when something still aches. Energetic themes: release and power. This moon activates themes of emotional empowerment, shadow healing, cutting cords, reclaiming personal power, manifesting from truth, not illusion. Think of this moon as a mirror. It won't show you what you want to see. It shows you what you need to. And once you face it, you're free. Manifestation ritual. Do this tonight. Let's align with this moon's energy. Here's a voice-guided ritual for manifestation and emotional release. Find a quiet space, light a candle, close your eyes, breathe in slowly, and exhale deeply. Now, repeat after me. I release what no longer belongs to my future. I forgive myself for holding on to pain I outgrew. I am no longer defined by what I survived. I allow closure to find me now. I plant new intentions in clean soil. I manifest truth, power, and purpose. Now, visualize the full moon above you, glowing, unshaken, sacred. In your mind, place your intention inside that light. See it floating upward, being seen, being held, being activated. This is how you manifest, not by force, but by surrender, not by hoping, but by clearing space. Let the moon take it from here. Closing, anchor the energy. You've released, you've realigned, you've reclaimed something that's always been yours, your power. This is what the May 2025 full moon came to teach you. So be gentle with yourself. Journal what came up, cleanse your space, and let silence work its magic. This is Inner Sky Radio. Return anytime the moon rises. We'll be waiting.